In today's video, I will walk you through how to search for coins on WhiteBIT. Searching for coins on WhiteBIT is a quick way to find the cryptocurrency you're interested in, whether you want to check its price, view its trading chart, or start trading. WhiteBIT includes a built-in search feature that helps you locate supported coins in just a few seconds. Click the Markets tab at the top of your dashboard. You'll see a comprehensive list of all available trading pairs. On the right-hand side, you'll find a search bar. Simply type in the name or the ticker symbol of the coin you are looking for. As you type, the list will automatically filter the available results. This makes it much easier to find the correct cryptocurrency without scrolling through the entire market list. Once you've found the correct trading pair, simply click on it. The trading page will immediately update, displaying the selected coin's price chart, order book, recent trades, and trading panel. If you don't know the exact ticker symbol, you can also browse through the available market categories while using the search feature to narrow down the results more quickly. If your search doesn't return any results, double-check the spelling of the coin's name or ticker symbol. And that's all there is to it. Searching for coins on WhiteBIT.